Dinosaur Story. Dinosaur Poop. Hello everyone. This time, let's learn about dinosaur poop. Dinosaur poop isn't dirty. It doesn't smell and doesn't stick to your hands. Poop is dirty. It does smell. But poop fossils are not dirty because they have been replaced with minerals and turned into stones. Animal poop has useful information such as the type of food or lifestyle. We also get a stool test at the hospital to check our health. Dinosaur poop is also being found as fossils. Dinosaur poop fossils provide a variety of information that cannot be obtained from skeletal specimens. We can see what dinosaurs ate by looking at the debris, and we can find traces made by insects and worms on the surface. So we have to take a closer look at dinosaur poop. How did people long ago know that poop is also preserved as a fossil? Mary Enning, a famous British fossil collector, found lumps of undigested debris in the belly of an ichthyosaurus skeletons. It contained fish bones and scales, and even the bones of a baby ichthyosaurus. William Buckland was inspired by Mary Enning's discovery. He thought that poop was also preserved as fossils, and he first used the word coprolite. And he explained that the reason ichthyosaurus poop was spiral was that their intestines were spiral-shaped, like modern sharks. Dinosaur diets. In order to understand dinosaur poop, we first need to find out what kind of diet dinosaurs ate in the Mesozoic era and what their digestive system was like. So first, let's find out what kind of food dinosaurs ate. Of course, carnivorous dinosaurs would have hunted herbivorous dinosaurs. Many fossils of herbivorous dinosaurs with teeth marks of carnivorous dinosaurs were found. However, they ate dead animals, even carcasses of their own kind. Fossils of Tyrannosaurus skeletons with teeth marks of the same species have also been found. In addition to herbivorous dinosaurs, carnivorous dinosaurs seem to have eaten various animal diets such as lizards, turtles, insects, and eggs. We know this by looking at the skeletal characteristics of carnivorous dinosaurs, the skeletons found with them, and the undigested debris contained in their feces. Herbivorous dinosaurs also ate a variety of plants. Mesozoic plants were different from today. Plants such as ferns, ginkgo trees, pine trees, and cycads were common. Grass is a common diet for modern herbivores, but dinosaurs couldn't eat it. This is because grass did not exist in the Mesozoic era and first appeared in the Cenozoic era. It is common for dinosaurs to be restored with palm trees in the background. But even this is not accurate. The palm trees you see today first appeared after dinosaurs went extinct. Digestive system. To know dinosaur poop fossils, it is necessary to understand the digestive system of modern animals. In particular, scholars often refer to the digestive system of birds in dinosaur studies. This is because the location of stomach stones is similar to that of birds, crops, and gizzards. The digestive system of carnivorous dinosaurs seems to have been relatively short and simple, because meat is easy to digest. Scholars believe that there was a large lung in the chest, and the stomach and intestines were mainly located in the back near the pelvis. Herbivorous dinosaurs had to eat a lot of plants. Coarse plant fibers are hard to digest, so they must have had a very long and complex digestive system. It is assumed that herbivorous dinosaurs had a similar digestive system to birds, including the crop and gizzard. Coprolite. The poop turned into a fossil is called a coprolite. It's hard to preserve the poop as a fossil when it's warm and soft. To be preserved as a fossil, the poop must be dried and hardened. So, Many of the poop fossils have been preserved in cracked form after drying. The oldest poop fossils found are from the early Paleozoic era, but dinosaur poop fossils formed only in the Cretaceous period have been found so far. Fossils of human feces were also found. A 50,000-year-old poop fossil, called Lloyd's Bank Coprolite, was found in England. Meat residue, grains, and parasite eggs were found in the poop. It is difficult to know which animals poop it is just by looking at the shape of the poop fossil. Spiral forms are common in the poop of fish, such as sharks and lungfish. In particular, large spiral coprolites are most likely shark poop. Dinosaur poop is irregular in shape. A fossil of Tyrannosaurus poop has been found in Canada. It weighs over 7 kilograms. Bone fragments of a juvenile Hadrosaurus were also found in this poop fossil. At the time, Tyrannosaurus was the only carnivorous dinosaur that could produce such a large poop in that area, so this fossil is considered to be Tyrannosaurus poop. This is a Tyrannosaurus poop fossil found in South Dakota, USA. It is the largest carnivore poop fossil, 67.5 centimeters long and 15.7 centimeters wide, and was listed in the Guinness Book of World Records in 2020. The size of a dinosaur and the size of a poop fossil are not necessarily proportional. This is because a large dinosaur can excrete a smaller amount of poop than expected, and a large coprolite can be found in fragments. But a small dinosaur can't poop a lot. So, judging by the size of the coprolite, we can guess the minimum size of a dinosaur that pooped. If you look at the cross-section of the poop, you can see that various components of the poop are replaced with minerals, resulting in various colors. It is very pretty, especially if the section is polished. Poop is pretty. Of course. It's really beautiful. Animal bones, teeth, fish scales, and mollusk shells are sometimes found in the dung fossils of carnivorous dinosaurs. Even if such debris is not found, it may be possible to distinguish it because the feces of meat-eating dinosaurs contain a lot of phosphate components from the skeletons of their prey. Plant debris is not well preserved as a fossil, and most of it remains in the form of limestone or silicate. So, it is not easy to find plant remnants in the poop of herbivorous dinosaurs. However, in rare cases, undigested cellulose components or pine cones were found. Traces made by insects or worms, such as dung beetles, may be found on the surface of dung fossils. It seems that the way animals eat and live wasn't very different from today. Gastrolith. Stones swallowed by herbivorous dinosaurs to aid digestion are called gastroliths. The gastrolith wears down inside the body and becomes round. So how do we tell them apart from pebbles in the creek? Actually, we can't tell them apart. So, it can be considered as a gastrolith only when it is found together with the skeleton. You can't argue that any stone is a gastrolith. The location where the dinosaur gastroliths were found matches that of the bird's crop and gizzard. Birds' gizzards contain stones or sand, which helps them digest food by breaking it down. However, the crop does not contain stones and is not directly involved in digestion. The crop only serves to store food. However, Hoatzin, a modern bird, has a well-developed muscular layer of the crop, which is involved in digestion. It is believed that the digestive system of herbivorous dinosaurs was similar to that of Hoatzin. So far, gastroliths have been found in proceropods, sauropods, Nodosaurus, Ornithomimus, Psittacosaurus, and Caudipteryx. More than 240 gastroliths were found in Seismosaurus, a sauropod dinosaur, and the largest of them is said to be over 10 centimeters long. Their gastroliths have been found in the location of the bird's crop, ungivered. Now scholars consider Seismosaurus to be the same species as Diplodocus. Gastroliths were also found in Psittacosaurus. Some scholars believe that this Psittacosaurus lived underwater or by water, so their stomach stones were for buoyancy control and had little to do with digestion. Gastralia. One more thing. In the abdomen of dinosaurs, there are bones called the gastralia. The gastralia is a dermal bone that exists within the skin and does not connect to other bones. It was found in prosauropods and theropods, and the presence of the gastralia in Ornithischian and sauropod dinosaurs is still unclear. It supports the abdomen and skin. Dinosaur quiz. Which of the following plants is not a food for herbivorous dinosaurs? Number 1 fern. Number 2 ginkgo. Number 3 grass. Number 4 cycad. The answer is grass. Grass is a plant that appeared in the Cenozoic era but did not exist in the Mesozoic era. Of course, herbivorous dinosaurs couldn't eat it. That's it for today. See you next time. Thank you.